Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin yung isa na namang conditions for triangle congruence, no? And here we will talk about the right triangles, no? So dito pag-aaralan natin yung hypotenuse angle congruence, no? Ang sinasabi ng hypotenuse angle congruence that if the hypotenuse of two triangles are congruent, no? At yung isa sa mga angles nila, acute angles are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent. No? So here, we have, ibig sabihin yan, meron tayong angle R is congruent to angle L. Kasi one of the acute angles. No? Of course, we can have this and this, no? But we choose R and L. Next, if the hypotenuse RF is congruent to LD, no? So ito yung given natin, we want to prove. Sabi that the two triangles are congruent. So prove the triangle RTF is congruent to triangle RTF. Dapat pareho yung direksyon, ano, pag nag-name kayo ng triangle. So RTF dapat LYD, no? Para yung mga corresponding angles at corresponding sides sila ay naglalapat dito, no? So pag RTF and DLY, mali yun, no? Dapat pareho yung nagko-correspond din yung mga corresponding angles nila sa corresponding sides. Okay? So what do we have for our proof? So sa proof, meron tayong statements and reasons. So sa statements natin, kopyahin lang natin to kasi given to eh. So ito yung mga pagkuhanan natin ng ano, no. So congruent yung angle R tsaka angle L. So ang reason natin dito is given na siya. And second is RF is congruent to LD, still given. And number 3 is RF. Oh, sorry. Ano pang alam natin, by the way? Alam natin to, di ba? That these two angles are congruent. Angle T is congruent to angle Y. Ito pala. So, anong reason nito? Pareho silang right triangles, di ba? So, right triangles. Pareho silang right angles, sorry. So, right angles. Of course, we know that right angles are congruent. Pareho silang 90, di ba? So, right angles are congruent. Yun yung reason natin. Right angles are congruent. Okay? Tignan nyo yung pagkakasunod-sunod, ah. So, Una is, number 1 is we have angle R is congruent to angle L, di ba? Tapos, we have this one is congruent to this one, yung kanyang kanyang hypotenuse, no? So, here we have angle, side. Angle, side. So, anong naalala yung theorem dyan? No, yung sa previous video natin, no? Yun yung AAS congruence ng triangle. So by AAS congruence, we have triangle RTF is congruent to triangle LYT by AAS congruence. Yun yung kanyang reason. Okay? So I think we have completed already the different condition for congruence. Actually, sa ibang libro, ang tawag nila dyan is mga postulates. But ang totoo talaga niyan is theorems talaga sila, no? Kasi lahat yan ay mga proof, no? May mga proof yan. For example, yung SSS, pwede yan i-proof. Medyo rigorous ka lang yung proof niya, but it's not really a postulate. So, ang reason kung bakit ginawa silang postulate sa mga ibang libro is para hindi na sila i-proof. Ang postulate talaga sa geometry ay yung lima na lang, di ba? Yung kay Euclid. So, lahat-lahat yan, mga definition is either definition yan or theorems. Okay, so maraming salamat and I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko i-invite sa zipnayan.com, nandiyan yung ating website. At see you in the next tutorial.